Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are well. In the previous sessions, we have learned about invertebrates and their characteristics. And we said that invertebrates are divided into 5 groups. So we learned the groups of invertebrates and their characteristics. And we said that these groups are crustaceans, insects, arachnids, mollusks. And today we will start with the last group, which is annelids. Here you will see some animals that belong to annelids. You have the earthworms and the leech. These animals belong to annelids. In this session, we want to study the characteristics of annelids. If you look at the X-ray of this earthworm, you will see that there's no bones inside its body. So annelids are invertebrates. Since they don't have a vertebral column, they don't have bones inside their bodies. Another characteristic of annelids, they have elongated and soft body made up of rings. So the annelids have long, elongated, and soft body made up of cylindrical rings. These are called the cylindrical rings. If you look at this picture, you will see that annelids have no legs. So it's one of its characteristics that there's no legs, or the annelids have no legs. Also, annelids have neither shell, antenna, nor wings. So annelids have no legs, they have neither shell, antenna, nor wings. Invertebrates that have an elongated and soft body made up of rings and don't have shells or antenna or wings are called annelids. Some annelids live in the soil, like the earthworms. So this earthworm lives in soil. So some annelids live in the soil like the earthworms. Other annelids like leech lives in water. So leech or annelids, some annelids live in water like leech. So we conclude that annelids have an elongated, soft body made up of rings. They don't have shell or antenna or wings. They don't have legs. Some live in the soil like the earthworms. Others live in water like leeches. We will start with page 28. In page 28, we have the first text is related to mollusks, while the second one this one is related to annelids. So worms have an elongated, soft body made up of cylindrical rings. They have neither shell, antenna, nor wings. Some live in the soil, like earthworms, while others live in water, like leeches. These invertebrates form the group of annelids. And here you will see the picture of earthworm and leech. Let's start solving the questions here, but before we should note that all invertebrates are oviparous. The female lays a large number of eggs. So all invertebrates are oviparous. The female lays a large number of eggs. Let's start with number 4. Name the invertebrates that have antenna. Here we are talking about all the groups of invertebrates. If we want to compare all the groups with respect to which group have antenna or not, you will see that some crustaceans have antenna and all insects have antenna. So the answer will be most of the crustaceans and all insects. Why we said most of crustaceans, not all crustaceans? Since the crab, which is a crustacean, it doesn't have antenna. So that's why we said most of the crustaceans and all insects. So number 5, pick out a difference between annelids and arachnids. With respect to arachnids, we have explained that one of the characteristics of arachnids that they have 8 legs and their body is divided into 2 parts. While annelids, regarding the legs, they have no legs. So will be a difference. So the answer is annelids don't have legs, while arachnids have 8 legs. Number 6, indicate the importance of tentacles in mollusks. In the previous session, we said that mollusks like snail and slug, they have tentacles and they carry their eyes on the top of their tentacles. So what will be the importance of the tentacles in mollusks? The tentacles carry the eyes of some mollusks. So the tentacles carry the eyes of some mollusks. Till here, we will finish our session. Thank you for listening and goodbye.